Ang mahal naman. Halos doble ang babayaran sa home loan. Kung minultiply mo ang monthly amortization mo ng 20 years at kinabahan ka, panoorin mo to.
Home Buying 101 with Agent Edith.
Yes, mas mataas ang total amount ng home loan compared sa cash price. Pero, hindi ibig sabihin na dinoble ng developer ang presyo ng bahay. Dahil ang totoo, ang binabayaran mo ay ang halaga ng bahay. Plus, ang interest sa perang ipinahiram sa iyo ng financing institution. Gaya ng bangko hanggang 20 years. Kung meron kang 4.3 million cash ngayon, mas okay talagang bumili ng bahay in cash. Pero kung wala, financing institution gives you the chance to own the house today instead of waiting for 20 years para makapag-ipon ng pambili ng bahay. May tanong ka pa ba sa home loan? Comment mo lang, walang judgment dito. Hi, I'm Agent Edith. My goal isn't just to sell you a house, it's to help you understand how ownership really works so you can make the best decision for your family.